Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to set a new profile photo on the Instagram app for PC with the latest update. If you've recently started using Instagram from your desktop, this step-by-step walkthrough will make it quick and easy for you to change your profile picture. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once the app is open, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see the profile option. Go ahead and click on Profile. This will take you directly to your Instagram profile page. Next, on your profile page, you'll see an option that says Edit Profile. Click on Edit Profile, and under that you'll find Add Photo. Click on Add Photo to begin the process of changing or setting your profile picture. Now you'll see two options appear, and you want to choose Upload Photo. Selecting Upload Photo will open a file picker window on your computer. From here, pick the photo you would like to use as your new profile picture. Navigate through your folders, select the image you want, and then click Open. Once you've done that, Instagram will show you a preview of the photo. The final step is to confirm your choice. If everything looks good, simply confirm the step, and your new profile photo will be set. Just like that, your Instagram profile now has a fresh new look. Changing or updating your profile picture is a great way to keep your account feeling personal and up to date. Whether you're switching to a professional image, a fun candid, or just experimenting with a new style, this process will now be much simpler thanks to the updated Instagram desktop app. And that's all it takes. You now know how to set a profile photo on Instagram using the PC app. Give it a try and refresh your profile today.